welcome back to my channel. Today is another week. It is Monday morning about 8:30 and I am making my breakfast, and I thought that why not just film a what I eat in a week kind of video. So we are doing that this week, and I hope you guys stay tuned because I will be cooking Japanese food, different kind of food. So I will be having all my recipes today, and make sure you guys stay tuned. I am using our new pan today. I will be making my eggs, my mushrooms, and my spinach over here. We only need a little bit of olive oil for this, just a little bit. Put our mushrooms. I'm going to add some garlic that I made, and then we can add our baby spinach. I'm gonna add my eggs. You guys, my cookware is non-stick ceramic, so it's not supposed to stick. Let's see what happens. Of sea salt. Ooh, look, it's not really sticking, you guys. Look, amazing. Alright, so here's our breakfast. We have our eggs, spinach, and mushrooms with waffles. And of course, I have my iced mocha. Lunchtime, I am making some chicken teriyaki and kimchi soup. It is almost 6 p.m. guys, and I'm making some dinner. We are going to be making some sushi bowl, which is I'm excited about. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Alright, so we have our rice, and then we are going to open our smoked salmon. And we're gonna put the salmon in here. I think I'm gonna put a lot because I love salmon, you guys. Our salmon in there, and I'm gonna put some kimchi cucumber that I just made with my kimchi. Oops. I'm gonna put it on the side, and then we're gonna put spring onions, of course. I'm also putting some homemade pickled ginger. For the sauce, I will be doing soy sauce and some dashi and some mirin. Right? And we're just gonna put it on top. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Good morning guys! Today is Tuesday, day 2 for our cooking vlog. So I got my toaster out. I had some some bread. I made this bread 2 days ago. I'm gonna put this in the toaster. I'm gonna put some butter, some peanut butter, some bananas. I don't know. Let's see. I have my bacon here. So we're gonna make some bacon as well. Hi y'all! Today is Thursday. I didn't film yesterday because I was so busy. And today we're back with our video. Today is Thursday and I'm cooking breakfast today. It's just gonna be simple, you guys. Our everyday morning is waffles and sausage or bacon with fruits. So I'm doing that.